Hello student, we have already completed the very first lesson of geography, that is India, size and location. This so India, size and location. Now, as the lesson has been completed, so I think I must give you, I must supply you some questions. The questions that I am supplying you are very short answer types question. And the first question is, name the state through which the Tropic of Cancer doesn't pass. I repeat the first question. Name the state through which the Tropic of Cancer doesn't pass. The second question is, what is the easternmost? I repeat, what is the easternmost longitude of India? Once again, what is the easternmost longitude of India? Third question, name the country with which Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers. I repeat, the third question is, name the country with which Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers. Question number 4 is, name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. I repeat, name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Fifth one is, name the countries which are larger than India. I repeat, the fifth one is, name the countries which are larger than India. Next question is, which island group of India lies to its southeast? Once again, which island group of India lies to its southeast? Next one, which island countries are southern our once again, which island countries are our southern neighbors? The next one is, what is the latitudinal extent of India? I repeat the question. What is the latitudinal extent of India? Next question. In which year did the Suez Canal open? In which year did the Suez Canal open? Next question. Next question. Which ideas from India could reach the world? Once again, which ideas from India could reach the world? Next question. In which hemisphere is India located? In which hemisphere is India located? Next question. Name the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Name the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Next one, Name the Union Territories of India. Name the Union Territories of India. Next question. What do you mean by the standard time? What do you mean by the standard time? Last question is, what is the length of Indian coastline? What is the length of Indian coastline? That's all. Thank you. And try to solve all these questions. You will get the answer tomorrow. Thank you.